Assalamu alaikum, friends. If you want to write serial number in seconds, usual method you use is very time-consuming. If you want to do it in few seconds without any hassle, then the right method is shown on your mobile screen. Suppose you want right number from 1 to 5,000. Then the easy and secret code is to press Alt plus H plus F plus I plus S. It is a very simple code to write serial number quickly. By pressing Alt plus H plus F plus I plus S, in this sequence, you will activate the secret instructions and will get a pop-up of setting in front of you. Write start value 1 and stop value 5,000 and click on rows or column in whichever series you want. This then press. Okay, you will get the desired result shown on the screen. You can do it either in column or in a row and also include whatever serial number you desired. You can also write serial of date quickly without any problem.